From the moment you arrive at McNaught Cadillac, your premium service experience begins. Our automated service doors open to welcome you, while our state-of-the-art alignment scanner checks your vehicle in seconds, providing a complimentary report on your tire alignment and tread depth before you've even stepped out. Our friendly service advisors greet you personally, ready to understand your needs and get you back on the road with confidence. While we care for your Cadillac, enjoy our luxurious lounge sip, a freshly brewed coffee, browse our exclusive Cadillac apparel, or unwind with a show in our comfortable seating area. Need to work while you wait? Stay connected in our quiet business space, complete with complimentary breakfast brought right to you. Our certified technicians perform a detailed inspection, sharing photos and videos directly to your phone, so you're always in control of your repair decisions. Once complete, your Cadillac is returned spotless. Your advisor reviews the service with you, ensuring every detail exceeds your expectations. Discover why the McNaught service experience is simply unmatched.